Want to be all up in your friend's face having stink breath, and when you turn, all they talk about behind your back is how your mouth stinks. Hey everybody, it's your girl DJ here. If you're new here, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you're not new here, hi, welcome back. How you guys doing? If you guys aren't following my social, go ahead. It's the same as my YouTube, Dear Jake. Okay, so in this video we are going to be doing what's in my back to school emergency kit. I'm going to show you guys the essential that you need, everything that you need for your emergency kit. I'm gonna do sections and sections. This is my little purse slash kit that I'll be having everything in. Surprisingly, they all fit. These are definitely a must-have for you guys to have in your emergency kit. So I'm gonna start off with hygiene, of course. You guys are most definitely going to need a deodorant on hand. Well, they're very cheap. It does come in handy because what if you're rushing out of the house and you literally wake up late and you forgot to put your deodorant on? Trust me, something like that has happened before to me, and you never know. Just make sure you have a deodorant on hand because it is a must. Next to fall under that is a body spray or perfume, whichever one you guys prefer. Just have something to touch up, you know. You're about to hug your friends, you know, you just say, oh girl, you smell good. Yep, this is a must. And also, if you also forget to put perfume on, you are ready and prepared. At school, you never know what happened. At school, it'd be the worst stuff that happens to you happens at school. I promise you guys. Trust me, I'm telling you from experience. Always make sure you have a perfume. I'm tasting it. Make sure you have a perfume or a body spray, something on hand just in case you smell a little musty. Also fall under hygiene is lotion. Right here I have the Aveeno lotion, but in this case, what if you decide to wear shorts and you really forgot to put lotion on and your foot look ashy, your legs look ashy, and you're like, damn. And you don't worry, you got lotion on hand, so make sure you guys have some type of lotion in your bag. Something that also you guys should also have in your emergency kit for school will be Listerine. Okay, what if you fall asleep in class and when you wake up, you run out of gum and your mouth smells kind of funky? You got TheraBreath on hand or just any kind of mouthwash. Ask the teacher to go to the bathroom and you go rinse your mouth with mouthwash, with your mouthwash. Not being extra, but like at the same time, I'm just trying to have you guys prepared. You never know. Like I'm saying, at school, it'd be the most unpredictable stuff that happens to you at school that could embarrass you. Be all up in your friend's face having stink breath, and when you turn, all they talk about behind your back is how your mouth stinks. You want that? No. Okay, so make sure you have some kind of Listerine, something to rinse your mouth just in case. Next is lips. You don't want to have chapped lips, okay? You don't want, guys, I got 3 options for you guys. Vaseline, Aquaphor, hands down the best if you don't like lip gloss. In this case, I'm both. I'm an Aquaphor girly and a lip gloss girly, but if you're a lip gloss girly like me, always make sure you have an extra lip gloss in your bag. Say you see a crush and you're like, damn, my lips are looking chapped. You got these on hand. That's what I'm telling you. Like, you never know. Make sure you guys have something to moisturize your lips and any kind of lip moisturizer for your lips. I'll move on to period essentials, things that you guys must have as girls in your kit. Make sure you always have extra pads in your bag because you never know what Miss Girly gonna pop up and give you a little surprise. You don't want to be embarrassed, and you want to have some Tylenol or have some pain medication to help with the period pain when you're at school, because guys, I'm a victim here. Actually, I'm a victim here for period. It's on my first day. I know a lot of girls can relate to this, but when it's my first day of my period, I'll be throwing up, having diarrhea, excruciating belly pain. Usually I would have to leave school on the first day of my period. So the pain meds always come in clutch. Sure, you have some kind of pain meds to go to help with your period when you're at school, when you can't go home and you literally don't got nothing, so you don't have to go through all that pain while having to learn. Some gum or some breath mints on deck, guys. Always have this on deck. Think about it. We only get lunch one time of the day. You're on a snack, so your breath might smell a little, you know, a little funny, so you got this on deck. Always have gum or some breath mints on hand. Okay, this one's for my makeup girlies. Always make sure you have a makeup remover on deck, just in case anything, just in case your makeup looks get messed up and you need something clean that up. What if you end up crying for the day, your makeup looks a whole mess? You got this to remove it. And what if your mascara is all messed up? You got your makeup remover on deck. So make sure you have some kind of makeup remover if you are a makeup girly. Okay, guys, if you're like me who just have random breakouts like this right here, you know, my face don't really break out, but like if you're a girl who troubles with acne, having some kind of pimple patch ready at school, it's a need. Okay, school, we be stressed out, and when you're stressed out, you probably get stress pimple. You probably go to school with nothing on your face, and then in third period you realize that there's a little pimple coming up. Boom, you got pimple patch on clutch to cover that. So have some kind of pimple patch just in case your face decides to randomly break out. You got something to cover you. Like I said, school, I already said this, so make sure you have some pimple pads if you trouble with acne. If not, you ain't gotta worry about this. For my acne girlies, I know how hard it is. Okay, guys, when it comes to school is one of the places that has the most germs. Everybody be touching everything. Make sure you have hand sanitizer. Always need this. Germs are everywhere. Tissues are a must. What if you have a little cold, something spilled? You have this to cover you. You don't have to be like, can I go to the bathroom? So always make sure you have tissues on hand. Disinfecting wipes. What if the desk that you're about to sit in looks really disgusting and you don't want to sit in that? What if the kid before you made a mess and no one cleaned it up and you gotta be there? You have your Clorox wipes or you have your disinfecting wipes on deck to help you out with that. And overall, maybe bathroom stalls, maybe something, but have some disinfecting wipes in your bag because you're gonna need them. Make sure you have wipes in your bag just in case of anything. This wipe you could also use to wipe your private area, but also just in case you need it for something, you need to wipe off something. There have been many cases at school. Maybe my face is messed up from eating. I just grab my wipes, I wipe my face off, I wipe my hands off, and I'm ready to go. So make sure you have wipes on deck, okay? Like if you have a weak immune system and you be sick and you're not feeling well at school, say like you're beginning to feel not well and you have a test in 5th period or your last period and you're almost making it out the day but you're feeling really bad, make sure you have some emergency on hand so you could just pop it in your water bottle and mix it and drink and you'll be ready. Okay guys, this right here have saved me many times at school when I'm not feeling well and I don't have any ride and no one could pick me up and I gotta make it through the day. And especially if I got a test and I need to perform well on that test, this definitely helped me. So make sure you guys have some kind of immunity boost just in case you're not feeling well. And at this point, hair ties, make sure you guys have extra hair ties in your bag. Make sure you have extra hair ties in your bag. There have been many times where I wish I brought an extra hair tie. My hair is a little messed up or maybe the thing pops or never know. So make sure you have extra hair ties in your bag. I hope you guys learned something from this video today, and that will conclude what's in my back to school emergency kit video. So if you guys have any questions, please let me know below, and if you guys have any videos that you want me to do, also let me know down below. But as far as this goes, Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys found this video very resourceful. That I told you guys, I'm not trying to like get you guys buy unnecessary stuff, but those things are gonna come in clutch. Those things are gonna come in handy when you're at school, trust me. You're at school for 6 hours. You never know what might happen in that 6 hours. So when I tell you those are a must have, if you can't have everything, have the most important ones, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.